Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. So if you would like to recreate this triangle shaped knotless braids on your hair or on that of your client, do not go anywhere. Keep watching this video because at the end of this video you'll be able to do that. In making these triangle shaped knotless braids, I washed, blow dried and kept my hair in a protective style in readiness for this braiding session. Now for the frequently asked questions, the braiding hair I used was color 27 and 30, although I added a leftover color 33 to the mix, so you would notice that at some point. Now to the braider, if you stay in Asaba, feel free to DM me so that I'll send you her contact. She took 5,500 naira for this braiding service. It was home service, and yes, I know it's actually affordable. Also, I used 3,900 naira to get the braiding hair, so in total I spent 9,400 naira for this hair. Finally, to achieve this length, I used cotton 2. So let's get back to the braiding action. One of my goals in putting out this content is that I want every single braider to sharpen their skills in doing knotless braids. Now, I noticed that she created 4 rows from ear to ear from the back and 10 rows from my forehead down at the front. So I'm just going to let you observe now to see how she created these rows and how she created each triangular columns. Trust me guys, once you observe, you'll be able to get it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would really like you to subscribe because it will really encourage me to keep putting out valuable content. So thank you so much as you subscribe and like this video. So observe. Here is a fun fact that you may or may not know about knotless braids. Did you know that knotless braids is also called no knot braids or feeding braids? It is a type of braiding technique where the braider does not form the knot used to start traditional box braids. Rather, the braider would start braiding your own hair and then feed in the braiding hair as she braids down. Now, you may be wondering where this braider attaches the braiding hair. So if you observe closely, you would see that it takes 3 parts to form a braid in your hair, right? So the braider would attach a small portion of the braiding hair underneath the middle section and use the middle section to hide the fact that she just added to that particular side of the hair. So she would keep adding to the middle section, keep hiding it and keep braiding down. So there are a few things that I would like for you guys to note in this video. So the first thing is that knotless braids is such an amazing hairstyle to do. Oh my god, I remember for a long time, even when the hairstyle started trending, I did not try it out at all because I felt like it would look flat on my hair, and of course it does look flat on a lot of people's hair, especially if you have a big forehead. Usually you like something to come up, and especially if your hairline does not start from the traditional line that usual people's own start from. So So it will make you be obsessed with hairs that would cover that big forehead of yours. But if you're someone like that, I would advise you to try this knotless braid out. Trust me, it's so flattering. The next thing I would like to say is that knotless braids is actually safer for your hair. It's a safer protective style than the traditional box braids. Why? Because you do not add the full tension of the hair to your root, so it doesn't rip out your hair. You spread that tension around, you spread that weight of the braiding hair to the length of your hair, so that way your hair is not weighed down. The weight of the hair is evenly distributed amongst your hair. The next thing that I would like to note is that as she braided down, she hid my hair underneath the braiding hair. So she hid it so that I won't have to deal with the hair popping out, so that it will be neat. And also because I specifically required her to not trim my hair. Now, a braider may want to trim your hair, and this is something that I would advise braiders to not do. Like, aim to make your work so neat, right, that you won't even need to trim the area where the client's hair is. This is for finicky clients like myself. Trust me, I work so hard to make my hair long, and I'm not about to let a knotless braid spoil my hard work. So this is just something to note. And also, I think that as a natural hair girl, you should not be so obsessed with creeps and very neat hair. The reason why I'm saying this is because something has to give. You have to let go of really creeps hair for long natural hair. Because if you'd even notice, you see that she wasn't attaching, like adding edge control to my hair, because yes, that could make the hair look very neat, but that could start a build up that I do not want. That could make my hair itch me before time. That could make me not to remove my hands from my hair, because I would always be itching and it would just be a mess. So I think that in choosing to be a braider, and also in choosing to get your hair braided, you should ensure that you look for your goal. What is your goal? So my goal is to have a protective style that is good, that is cute and classy, but to also retain the length of my hair, to be able to grow my hair healthy and strong with a neat scalp, because that one is important. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys observe the remaining parts of this video as I break down. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so that every single time I post a new video, you would be the first to know. And this is just a teaser, because the next video I'm going to put out is how I was able to maintain this hairstyle, how I was able to prevent itch. I carried this hairstyle for a full month and I did not itch for once. Also, how I'm able to retain as much length and grow so much hair in 1 month using this knotless braid hairstyle. So you would want to stay tuned so that you learn all my tips and tricks. So I didn't want the typical knotless braids. I wanted knotless braids with curls. So I asked the braider to braid till the longest part of my hair and use that as a measurement to braid the remaining hair. So this was how we got the length that we got. To be able to form the curls, we used bendable rollers. Now, a lot of you may be scared of using bendable rollers because you're scared that when they add hot water, it will melt. But trust me, bendable rollers do not cave to hot water, so it's safe enough. Now, she first detangled my hair as you saw in the video, and she placed the bendable rollers underneath the hair and bent it forward first of all to secure it. Then she wrapped my hair around the rollers till it got to the end and bent the remaining portion of the rollers forward to be able to secure the hair. And this is how she went on forming the curls. So at this point, she was done attaching my hair to the bendable rollers and it was time to pour hot water. Guys, I am always scared of this point because I don't want her to burn my scalp. Anyway, she was really careful. So this hot water would help to set the curls in place, as you can see. And when she was done pouring it through the length of my hair, she allowed the water to drip completely and to cool before unraveling it. Can you see the wonderful curls? Wow, just wow. It looks so amazing. So she just made sure that it was leveled, like they were all at equal length. That is why you can see her cutting it at this point. But I was so impressed. I was so impressed. Just watch out for the final reveal. It's so beautiful. It's everything for me. It's the smile, it's the way the color fits me, it's the length, it's the curls, it's the pattern, the triangle pattern. It's the fact that I only had to sit for 3 hours to get this hair done and it turned out beautifully. It's the fact that I didn't have to put edge control on my hair to start itching me. It's every single thing for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that at the end of this video you'll be able to recreate this look. Thank you so much for watching this video and for sticking till the end. Please subscribe, please give this video a like, and for sure I will see you in the next one. Bye.